Explaining the significance of evidence in argumentative essays. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of writing body paragraphs in argumentative essays, specifically focusing on the crucial skill of explaining the significance of evidence. By the end of this video, you'll be able to strengthen your arguments and make them more compelling. Evidence in an argumentative essay refers to the facts, statistics, anecdotes, and examples used to support a claim. But merely presenting evidence isn't enough. For your readers to be convinced, they need to understand why this evidence is significant and how it supports your point. Imagine you're a detective presenting evidence in court. If you simply show a fingerprint without explaining its connection to the suspect, will the jury be convinced? Likely not. Similarly, in an essay, evidence without clear explanation can leave readers puzzled. Explaining significance. 1. Guides the reader in understanding your perspective. 2. Reinforces the strength of your argument. 3. Ensures that the evidence isn't misinterpreted or overlooked. Step 1. Present your evidence. Start by introducing your evidence in a clear manner. For instance, according to a study conducted by XYZ University, 80% of students, Step 2, connect the evidence to your claim. This step involves explaining how the evidence supports your claim. For example, this statistic highlights the widespread nature of the issue. Step 3. Elaborate on the implications. Discuss the broader implications of the evidence. What does it mean in the larger context of your argument? Such a high percentage indicates the urgency for educational institutions to address this matter. Step 4. Address potential counterarguments. By anticipating what your opponents might say against your evidence, you can address it head-on, making your argument more robust. While some might argue that the sample size of the study was small, it's crucial to note that. And there you have it. Remember, in argumentative essays, it's not just about presenting evidence but also about making its significance crystal clear. We hope this video has illuminated the art of explaining the significance of evidence in your essays. Happy writing!